Hello, it's great to be here. This is the Christmas season, and it's time for us to start buying gifts and putting up trees and cooking. And I am a curious person. I'm always looking up stuff from the past about who did what for Christmas. And so one time I went and looked up what Martha Washington would have cooked. Of course, she didn't cook, she had servants. But at that time, for Christmas and special occasions, they made a fruitcake. It isn't a fruitcake like you and I are familiar with, but it was kind of a spice cake that had dried fruit in it. And I found a modernized recipe, and that's what I made. And it was really very good. But I think, regardless of what you do, whatever your traditions are, that you need to find ways to show your family love and show everybody love, because that's what Christmas is all about. Really, it's about the love of God and the fact that He sent His Son to die for us.